Hours after the Election Commission sources cited on weekend that a large number of illegal immigrants, foreign illegal immigrants in the electoral rolls of Bihar during the ongoing special intensive revision was uncovered, RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav likened such source-based information to urine. Let's take a look at this report.
Bihar's leader of opposition Tejasvi Yadav is gunning for the Election Commission and the NDA in the state. After sources within the EC claimed that a large number of people from Nepal, Bangladesh and Myanmar were found to be living in Bihar during the special intensive revision of voter list, Tejasvi Yadav dismissed the claims, describing them as Mutra, a Hindi word for urine. At a Mahagathbandhan press conference, Tejasvi said the inputs reportedly received by the Election Commission were mere smokescreen. He also questioned the legitimacy of the poll body's ongoing revision of electoral rolls and alleged serious flaws in the process.
ये वही सूत्र हैं जो इस्लामाबाद, कराची, लाहौर जो कब्जा करवा रहे थे। ये सूत्र को हम लोग जो है मूत्र समझते हैं और इस तरह की अगर कोई बात है भी तो आखिरी बार यूपी की सरकार में 2003 में SIR हुआ था। उस समय हम लोग 3-3, 4-4 लाख वोट से चुनाव हारे। तो क्या विदेशियों ने नरेंद्र मोदी जी को वोट दिया?
Mukesh Sahani, another leader from the Mahagathbandhan and chief of the Vikashsheel Insan Party, also alleged irregularities in the voter poll revision process.
चुनाव आयोग का बगैर तैयारी का जो काम कर रहे हैं, जब उनके ऊपर सवाल उठने लगा, जब उनसे काम नहीं हो रहा है, तो तरह तरह की बात कर रहे हैं कि बांग्लादेशी, म्यांमार, दूसरे कंट्री के लोग, नेपाल के लोग, इधर उधर के लोग, ये सब भटकाने के लिए बात कर रहे हैं.
MIM's Asaduddin Owaisi too slammed the NDA.
No, it is very embarrassing that a constitutional body is giving or is relying on sources. Why can't a constitutional body like ECI say, come out openly and tell to the media, who are these sources, please tell me. And ECI cannot decide or determine citizenship. Who has given them the powers?
The BJP and allies were quick enough to hit back. Slamming the RJD leader, they called Tejasvi the Yuvraj of Jungle Raj and claimed that illegal voters are the RJD's support base.
इस तरह की टिप्पणियां करना केवल तेजस्वी यादव कर सकते हैं। तेजस्वी जी की दिक्कत यही है कि पढ़े लिखे नहीं होने के कारण जो घर पे 2-3 उनके लोग हैं, वो जो रटवाते हैं, बताते हैं, वह जाके वह मंच पर बोल देते हैं, कहीं भी बोल देते हैं।
नहीं, ये प्रेस के लिए जो कंटेम्प्ट है परिवार का, खासतौर से तेजस्वी यादव का, वो इसको जाहिर करता है किस तरह से मीडिया के लिए ऑब्जेक्शनेबल भाषा का इस्तेमाल किया गया।
The Election Commission launched the Special Intensive Revision Drive on June 25th to verify citizenship status of registered voters in Bihar. More than 77,000 booth-level officers and government staff are currently verifying the credentials of 7.8 crore voters.
Tejasvi Yadav's Sutra Mutra jibe has stoked a massive controversy in Bihar politics, with his opponents maintaining that this language only manifested that the RJD leader was jittery and nervous, anticipating a possible defeat in the upcoming assembly elections. Remains to be seen that what impact will this controversy have on Tejasvi Yadav's poll prospects. This is Rohit Singh in Patna for India Today.